Hi there, students. Core as a verb or as a noun. Yeah? Chord, C-O-R-E-D, as an adjective. I think probably many of you already know this word. The core is the basic, most important part of something. This is the core of the problem. I think the core of global warming is the fact that there are too many of us on this planet. Lack of funding is the core of the problem. It's at the core of the problem. The core of our business comes from 2 or 3 companies, so not a good thing. Yeah, the core of their philosophy is a respect for all living beings. Okay, so the central, most important, basic part of something. You could have an apple core. Yeah, when you eat an apple, the bit that's left that contains the seeds is the core. Yeah, so don't throw that apple core on the floor, put it in the food for the chickens. You could have the core of our planet. Yeah, I believe that the core of this planet is molten nickel and iron, for example. Yeah, you could have the core of a nuclear reactor, the central bit where the fission takes place. Yeah, all the muscles around your hips and your chest that you use in almost every movement, these are the core muscles of your body. Or if he was outside in the snow too long and his core temperature dropped radically and he got hypothermia. Or in geology, you drill down and you take a core sample, or a little round bit that's long. They're always taking core samples of the ice in glaciers or in the South Pole. Okay, so the core, the most important part of something. Your rude comments cut me to the core. Yeah, could you tell me, what are your core beliefs? What are the core values of this company? The basic ones that are the more important than everything else. Yeah, we need to resolve the core issues. The core business of a company, where most of its money comes from, its major activity. Yeah, or maybe you have core subjects in your university degree, the most important subjects that you have to study. So, I don't know, what are the core subjects at schools nowadays? Well, mathematics, English, and I guess computer science nowadays. Okay, and then maybe foreign languages, very definitely. Okay, so the core, the central part of something. As a verb, to core, to take the center out of a fruit, out of a piece of fruit. So, yeah, I've got a special thing that to core apples, you push it in and it takes out the central part. Okay, so core, accountable noun, the center of your fruit. To core, to remove it. The core of an object, the central part of it. The downtown is the core of this city. Yeah, the core of the core of this building is the entry area. Yeah, okay, the core of a problem, the core of an issue, the central part of it that has to be understood. We need to get right to the heart of the problem, to the core of the problem, to the essence or nucleus of it. A core group, the main people, the most important people who do a job. So these 6 people are our core workers. They're the most important ones. They're the ones who keep everything together. Yeah. Core subjects: mathematics, science, English. Yeah. A foreign language should be part of a core curriculum. Okay. Then you could have hardcore. Yeah. Very serious about something. The center is of it, the main part of it is very, very hard. Okay, so yes, you've probably got a quad core compressor. Sorry, a quad core processor in your computer. So we can use this word core to mean a piece of equipment, a central important part of a piece of equipment. Yeah. A particular part that is essential to it. Okay, so core. There are lots of cores. Yeah, if your computer has 4 cores, it's a 4-cored computer or a 4-cored processor. Okay, so core. I'm sure there are lots of other meanings of core as well. Okay, so let's see. Formality. This is a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, and then as to origin, the origin is not totally clear. Maybe it comes from an old English word, a native English word, corn, meaning seed. Yeah, or it might come from the French cœur, meaning heart, which comes from Latin core. Yeah, the heart of something. So, yeah, I would be interested if you have any comments about the origin as well. So the core, the inner central part of something, the most important part, the nucleus. Yeah, in an atom, the core is the nucleus, the positrons and neutrons. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Core.